Hi guys, Shaxios here, and I'm back making videos again. Sorry for such a long break. I had a lot of things going on and stuff. As I say all the time, I'm really busy with college and everything at the moment. But I thought, on the video of me coming back, you might notice this is actually like a vlog kind of thing. I'm doing a challenge today. This challenge, my mate actually shared this on Facebook, and I kind of wanted to do it on a YouTube video because I kind of watched a little bit, listened to a little bit, should I say, and it was kind of like a scary kind of thing. So I think that if I do it on here, what I'm gonna do, because it does say turn off your monitor and close your eyes and everything to get the full experience of this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be blindfolding myself, and I'm calling this a challenge. I don't really know if you'd class this as a challenge, but basically what I've got to do is I've got to try and listen to this the whole time without pausing it, without taking my headphones off or anything like that. When I say 3, 2, 1, go, that's literally just for recording purposes, because I need to download this video, and then I need to kind of put the audio in the background so you guys can listen to it as well. I will put a link to the video down in the description if you guys want to do the challenge as well. You don't have to blindfold yourself. I'm blindfolding myself anyway, just kind of give it more of an experience, because this is, you're getting interrogated. So I think blindfolding yourself is a little bit, kind of adds more to the role play kind of fact of it. So I'm gonna quickly blindfold myself. I'll quickly cut to where I've blindfolded myself. Right, so I have blindfolded myself. I'm just quickly doing this so I can see where the play button is. So I've blindfolded myself. It'll go through a few things first of all, and then after that it'll start the audio. So this is about 8 minutes long. So yeah, let's just see how I do. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Media Labit presents The Interrogation Chamber. You will soon hear a play in binaural 3D sound. Please note that this purely fictional play contains some pretty scary and violent scenes. Do not listen to it if these things can be bad for you. Hearing the 3D sound effect is easy. You just have to put on a pair of earphones. Make sure that you put on the one marked R on your right ear and the one marked L on your left ear.
It doesn't really matter with this
one. For full effect, close your eyes, turn off the light and screen, and relax.
I can't see anything at the moment, so that's good.
Chamber.
Yep, I'm shitting myself. Hello?
So you're awake?
Yes, I am awake.
Lucky they let you live. But it won't
This is
stop
creepy.
torture that is yet to come. Just don't say a word.
Shut up, you filthy Hungarian scum. You're lucky to be alive. In Soviet Russia, we would feed you to the bears at least 2 days ago. These goddamn Americans don't even know how to torture people anymore.
What's that noise? Oh, it's the door, it's the door. It's really loud.
Hey you, to make insightful comments, Bruno. Please.
Oh, this is really creepy.
In the corner,
You know I'm right.
while I tend to our new guest. Oh, you are awake. Good.
Oh, that's right over here.
I have been wanting to speak with you for quite some time now. My, how are the mighty fallen? Bet you didn't expect to end up like this, huh?
Not really. I didn't expect for this to happen.
For a long time.
Have I?
You must be parched. Let me get you some water.
Oh, okay. This is a really horrible prison thing.
It's important, but what can you do in this country? Unfortunately, there is only enough for me.
You prick.
You look like a really tough guy.
Right in my ears. This is like amazing, but it's horrible at the same time.
Put you guys through my delicious. Take Bruno here, for example. His training back in Russia involved killing bears.
With my bare hands.
Oh,
Intended.
right in my ear.
Well,
It's
to be honest,
horrible.
I still have to figure out exactly which training you went through. To that end, who do you work for? Silence, eh? Well, I did not really expect you to answer that question. Fortunately, we have ways to make people talk around here.
Oh, no, this is the bit I'm gonna
Much
dread.
like the old country.
This is the bit I'm gonna hate. Oh no, I'm just gonna hate this bit.
My, that is gruesome and painful. Bruno, you really have outdone yourself this time.
Thank you, boss.
I think I'm gonna hate this bit.
I shall not partake in this gruesome and barbaric business. I leave that to Shaw from Detroit. Bruno, open the cage, will you?
Okay,
Cage? Cage?
boss. I killed bear with
Bruno,
hands.
not paying you for this.
I know, but he raped bear with hands.
What? What?
I don't know.
Cage? Show me in a cage.
I'm in a cage.
Oh,
Bigger than the last one.
I hate like horror games and stuff as well. This is a nightmare for me.
Yes, it stays alive.
I hate this.
Yes, boss.
Silence. I don't like this. Oh. Hello.
Ain't much of you.
I'm kind of shitting myself
You're
right
the
now.
silent type, right? They're all silent in the beginning. Like my wife.
Well, you can't hear me, so fuck
They're
you.
all silent in the end. Like
Oh.
my wife. So we got some toys here.
Oh, okay. What kind of toys? I'm trying to make this a little bit easier for myself, but this is horrible. This is a lot worse than you think.
Let me see.
Ah. My heart is racing. It just,
Oh,
It's because I'm
nice,
blindfolded as well. It's like, it makes me feel like I'm actually in the thing.
I'm gonna cut your tongue.
The fuck?
I'm gonna cut your ear.
The fuck? This is so weird.
But first, I'm gonna cut your hand.
The fuck? Oh.
You thought
got an
that
itchy
the
foot.
first thing that I was going to do was to stab you? No, I like to play with my food.
The fuck? Food? You sick
Speaking of
fucker.
food. There's a cheese grate down here.
You hear the sound of that, sweet baby? Oh,
Ah.
yeah.
No.
Well, maybe a cheese grate would be too...
Cheesy.
no, too juicy. Yeah, too juicy.
Oh, can you please just go away?
No, I know.
Just let me
A
go.
saw. You know what a saw is? I know my father knew what a saw was. I taught him.
He's like
Oh, wait.
insane. He's
Hold on
crazy.
a second. Ishbam, you've screamed enough, haven't you?
Yes, I have. Yes.
No. Not in that way.
Oh, no.
Fuck.
Before you
Ah.
the light. You must die.
Oh. Oh no. That's horrible.
Yes, it's the right tool.
Ah, that's horrible. That's horrible.
The right tool for you.
Oh no!
Wait a second.
Ah!
I smell bacon.
I don't know why, but it's just so horrible.
It's the police!
Oh, thank you, yes.
Police, it's down on the ground!
Oh man, I gotta
Yes.
get out of here.
Go up that way!
Please, yes.
I think they got shot. We gotta get out of here, Bruno.
Am I Bruno?
I don't run from police. Police run from me.
Oh my god. That's amazing. Fucking typical Russian stereotype thing. Is that it? That was it. Ah. Ah. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I know I'll kind of move quickly because I have to go do some stuff and everything. But now it's finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I will be back making more videos. So I'll be back then.